Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of guiding you guys on the next Fashion Wave event in Heartopia. So um it's going to be on the 21st of March, and this is what you should stock up on. Stock up on corn. So you are going to start planting these because it takes 12 hours to grow. So I'm just going to do that. I'll just do 200 first. There we go. And you're going to also stock up on butter for the butter popcorn, of course. And then you're also going to start harvesting truffles again. You can just keep them for cooking, but one of the recipe requires truffles, so you're going to want to do that again to harvest truffles. You are going to go to the forest island to do that, to do so. Um, and there will also be new plants that you'll be able to harvest in order to um get the ingredients for the meals. And yeah, Heartopia did already post about the sneak peek. I was kind of unsure on what was next until they posted it, but now I'm going to start planting corns and harvesting truffles. That's what you can do so far. Oh, and buying butter from Massimo. I've been buying butter anyways, so I don't have to really do that. But yeah, that is basically it. Here's like a little sneak peek on what it's going to look like. So yeah, it does require truffle, butter, popcorn, and whatnot. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.